Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the coffee temperature on your DeLonghi Magnifica start. So we have three different settings: low, medium and high. First of all, we need to go into the settings menu. Ignore this here, this machine needs descaling. We will do another video on that. So to go into the settings menu, we need to press and hold this button here for about 5 seconds. So let's do that now. This is now the setting menu. To go into coffee temperature, we have to tap this steam button here. And you can see right now we are on medium. If I hit this button here, that will be high, that will be low, medium. So by default it's on medium. So if you want your coffee temperature hotter, you can put it on that one there. If you want it lower, you can put it on that one, and that one's medium. I'm going to keep it on hot like that. Now to confirm that, we need to hit this button here again. And then we need to press this button to exit the settings menu. That's it. If you want to just double check you've done it correctly, you can go into it again and you will see now it will be on the hottest one here. So hold this one down, tap this, and you can see now we're on the hottest menu here. So nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.